Our 8th episode is about a guy named Ryan. He is single and looking for a wife, because he is at the right age to get married and has a stable job. His ideal girl is beautiful, slim, has full-time work, and is kind like him. He is looking for a girl on social media and he saw a gorgeous girl named Kyline. She is working as an office administrator, slim and was single. Ryan inspected Kyline's social media account and he found out about her father. Kyline's father liked to drink alcohol, eat fatty foods, and smoke cigarettes. So, Ryan has an idea of how to start a conversation with Kyline in a friendly manner. Ryan did research to get the direct phone numbers of hospitals, police, and fire departments near Kyline's area. So he chats with Kyline on social media saying, "Hi, how are you? This is a friendly reminder. I just want to send you the direct phone numbers of hospitals, police, and fire department near your place so that in case of emergency they can easily reach you." And she replies, "Thank you." A few days later, Kyline's father had a heart attack, and she remembers the conversation between her and Ryan in the chat. So she calls the hospital's phone number while his brother is calling the 3-digit emergency number. After a few minutes, Kyline's caller answered the phone line, while her brother's caller did not answer the call. So she told her brother to put down the person he was talking to because she is already talking at the hospital near them. The ambulance immediately arrived and Kyline's father was saved from a heart attack. His father recovered immediately and found out about Ryan's chat with Kyline. So, Kyline's father invited Ryan to go to their house for dinner. Ryan went to the house of Kyline. He bought a family-sized cake and a bouquet of flowers. He gives the flowers to Kyline. After a few months, they became close friends and eventually became a couple.